In this video, we're testing 4 of the best spray ceramic coating I have ever seen. Are these products really worth your money? Is there a real big difference between 15 bucks and 40 bucks product? Can these products really take a beating? And are they as resistant as real true ceramic coating? Let's jump right into it.
As always, before applying any protection product, the key is preparation. So for this, I'm using a car wash, a clay scrubber to decontaminate the paint, and then give it a good rinse. From now on, I'm going to ask you to look at the hydrophobics on the paint. If the water is beading, it means our product is still alive. Get my polisher out with a yellow pad. I'm using the Shine Made polisher and 3D1 as a one-step polish. Give it a good one-step truly all around. After the polish is done, I'm going to wash the paint a second time. Give it a good rinse, dry, and we'll use a paint prep to make sure there's no residue, there's nothing left on that paint. It's ready to accept any specific protection product.
By the way, every products and tools used and mentioned in this video are going to be linked down below. Don't forget you can use the coupon code Dogma at checkout, and that's the best way to support this channel.
Now that the paint is ready, I'm pulling out 4 different microfiber. Each product is going to have its own microfiber towel, dividing this panel in 4 sections. So here's our 4 products. Product number 1, introducing Ethos Car Care Resist. It's a graphene hybrid coating, promises up to 12 months of protection. Ethos Resist costs around 40 bucks. Now, product number 2 is Armour Detail Supply Ceramic Spray Sealant version 2. This one is around 36 bucks and promises 6 months of protection. Now, as far as the application, each product is going to be applied the same way. 2 sprays on the towel, 1 spray on the paint. I'm using those drying towels to avoid overspray, and I'll buff them up from left, right, up, down. Flip the towel on the dry side for a final streak-free buff. Product number 3 is Clean by Degreaser Ceramic Spray Sealant. Advertised durability is 6 to 12 months. It's 24 bucks USD, and you can wash this product 1 hour after the application. It cures in only 10 minutes. Product number 4 is the legendary Turtle Wax Seal and Shine. This product has seen many versions now, but I paid this bottle a fresh batch at the Walmart for 16 bucks. It can be found on Amazon.com around 14 bucks USD. After the application was done, I removed the tape, measured the gloss. All 4 products were measured at around between 101 and 105 gloss unit, pretty much the same across the board. After that, my day was done. I left the panel to cure for 7 days outside before doing the actual test. 7 days later, here's the initial hydrophobics. As you can see, all 4 products are performing really good. I'm really impressed so far. The beading is crazy, really tight and round beads. My main weapon for this video is a strip wash from Armour Detail Supply. It's called Decon Soap. It's a high pH car shampoo made to give you a really deep clean. We're going to attack our ceramic spray sealant in many different ways, but first off, let's start with the strip wash itself. As you can see, the Degreaser spray sealant seems to be repelling the soap in a different way. After rinsing the strip soap, all 4 products seems to be untouched.
Iron remover for 3 minutes.
After the iron remover, here's how they performed. Armour is doing great. Degreaser as well. Ethos is just like at the beginning, and Turtle Wax is great. Now let's give it a strip wash once again.
Let's do a bog remover, bog and tar remover. Let it dwell for 5 minutes. If you find any value in this video, please support this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. With that being said, let's jump right back into the video.
After each chemical, I'll use the strip wash and then we can reevaluate the water beading. After the bug remover, no real change. This is a mild bug remover, so no change here. You can take a look deeper at ADS, doing great. Clean by pan, same performance. Ethos as well, amazing. And Turtle Wax, excellent. Let's do the blower test. All 4 products are blowing off the water really easily. It's a good sign when the water goes off like this.
Let's do Adam's Wheel and Tire Cleaner, which is pH 13.5. Okay, after 5 minutes.
Now we're getting into the heavy hitters. Adam's Wheel and Tire Cleaner is really harsh, really caustic, has some solvent cleaners in there. So when I see a sealant resisting to Adam's Wheel and Tire Cleaner, it tells me that this sealant is really robust. Okay, after Adam's Wheel and Tire Cleaner, here's Turtle Wax doing great. Ethos as well, no real change, really impressive. ADS maybe is slowing down a little bit, not that bad. Pan Organizer doing good as well.
Industrial Degreaser using straight.
Guys, I remind you that each chemical is getting a dwell time between 3 to 5 minutes. I'm keeping an eye on it so they don't dry, but I'm trying to get as much dwell time as possible. All right, after that heavy degreaser, strip wash, and let's look at the water behavior.
Resist has lost some performance, but still doing very good. Sealant Shine doing very good. ADS, fast sheeting, and Pan doing extremely well. Gonna use a tar remover. That's a dedicated solvent-based tar remover from Car Pro.
Guys, Car Pro Tar X is safe for real ceramic coating, but not so safe for spray sealants. This one needs to be really well rinsed. You can see when initially rinsing it, you can see that water beading from the solvent. It's really thick, looks really greasy. After rinsing the strip wash, I can see that the ADS product is pretty much dead, the Armour side, and then the Pan Organizer is probably the one that's doing the best. Really tight round beads still. You can see a comparison with Armour. So if we go back to Ethos and Turtle Wax, they're both still beating somewhat good, lost some performance. So let's go into the next step. Let's reapply the tar remover and wipe it in. After wiping in the Car Pro Tar X and doing a strip wash, I can tell that the ADS is still looking pretty much dead. The Turtle Wax is really struggling, really slow sheeting. I'd say this is between Pan Organizer Clean Product and Ethos Resist. They're both quite fast sheeting. I'd say around 3 to 4 seconds depending on the amount of water that you throw at them. But for me, they look pretty much the same. So make sure to let me know in the comments which one you prefer. Now let's step up with the Geon Total Remover, which is a dedicated sealant and ceramic coating remover.
This is a sealant and wax ceramic coating remover all in one. Gonna spray this on the paint Gonna wipe it in.
Guys, total remover, according to the instructions, you spray it on, you wipe it in, you wait 2 to 3 minutes, you don't let it dry, and then you can rinse off. It's an acidic product, by the way. Rinse it off, do the strip wash, rinse it again, and let's take a closer look. So all of these sealants are pretty beat up at this point. The clean by pan is still beading at the edge to some degree. They're all sheeting water at their own speed. Okay, so I just slow down the footage in post-production and I can tell the pan is the fastest sheeting, then Ethos, and third place is Turtle Wax. I'm just splitting hair here and the results are a very tiny margin. Let's check out our gloss. 102, still glossy. 480S, 105. The gloss ended up to be around the same thing as before the test, and something I could not capture into the camera is that a few of those sealants were still visible. You could see the tape line, you could see that these products, although they're pretty much looking dead, they were still there and adding some depth to the paint, doing its job. So
I think it's safe to say that all 4 products perform well in this video. They all have their pros and cons, and be sure to let me know in the comments who is the champ in your mind. And now you'll want to know who is the best star dressing right here.